Hi, welcome to cooking show. Mix it all ingredients.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making chicken caldereta. So let's add the chicken. Then we add vinegar. And then a little bit of pepper. I think so. And some soy sauce. And stir it up.
Almonds.
No, there's no almond. Then
It's chicken.
oh, it looks
It's
so
hot.
good. Then we stir it up again. It's not maha.
It's chicken.
And then we add the carrot.
Carrot. Juan.
Let's add some tomato paste.
P-L-R-E-X.
What? Ooh, it looks so good. Let's add some potatoes. Then stir it up again. Cover it with a lid. Oh my gosh!
Ta-da!
Wow, it looks so good. I love chicken caldereta. Bye! Thank you for watching!